Hey there, everybody. So this is just a quick little video on the Harbor Freight 60-piece tap and die set, which I believe that's the most current model right there. Which we picked one of these up for the bike shop that I work at, and we needed some kind of specific taps. I think like a 7mm. Actual for a little 7mm metric bolt there. So we found, they have a couple different sets, but this one's it's a SAE and a metric tap and die set. So seemed like a pretty good, decent option. It's the part number 60366. So tried it out. We've used it a few times. So I was using it the other day and decided I'd do just a little review on it there. So it's basically split as far as the amount of metric versus the SAE, and obviously with the modern day bikes we're going to use the metric way more, but it's kind of nice every now and then you'll use a SAE version. So it's got a nice the larger tap handle. It's got a little die handle there, and I'm not sure what, I guess the little that little dial there can help you, I guess, center up a bolt or something if you're gonna put the die in there, so maybe help center that up. It's got a little flathead screw bit there where you tighten the die in. It comes with a little cheesy screwdriver. And this is the smaller tap handle, which it's definitely pretty decent. I was pretty impressed with this thing. It has the little handle there on the little side there, and so basically the way that thing works on the smaller ones, they kind of have that pointy tip to them. That's, I guess, how you can know which ones are going to fit in there, but it makes it easier to kind of stab it down in there. And then the little rod you insert to twist it, there's a little ball bearing in the little spring-loaded ball bearing in the piece that holds the little handle in there, so it kind of holds it in place, keeps it from just falling out on you there. So it's pretty nice. I was pretty impressed with the little handle there. So yeah, it's got quite a few little sizes that aren't available a lot of times with your typical taps that we get. It's got the little thread, the little gauges there. You can measure your bolts or whatnot, so you get the right tap or die there. But yeah, I mean, just overall quality on it is definitely decent. It's everything seems nice and sharp. It's been really too short to see how they're going to hold up in the long run, but so far I'm pretty impressed. There's a little rust on a couple of the taps there, which not a huge deal. We just put a little oil on it, some Rust-Oleum anti-rusting lube stuff. So yeah, that's the basic gist of it there. I had this one little bolt. There's a 4mm by 0.7, and just kind of a small bolt that needed to clean up the threads on, so that's what I had pulled the little set out for. And if you look at the dies on the side where the text is, the threads are kind of tapered in, so that would be the size that you would start your cut, I guess, on. So that would be the side you would insert a bolt or whatever. You can kind of see there, it's a little tapered there, and then the little notch where the little set screw holds it into the tool. But yeah, that's basically it. Just a quick little overall review of this 60-piece set. I believe they're $39.99, but get your 20 or 25% coupon. So anyway, yeah, that's just my little review on this thing, and feel free to comment, subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, and thanks for watching.